Hello, boss. The middle sheet AR lift is mainly composed of a shear bracket, hydraulic system, electrical control system, etc. Its characteristics include ultra-thin design, stable lifting, strong lifting ability, simple operation, space saving. It uses a hydraulic pump to send hydraulic oil into the oil cylinder, pushing the scissor bracket to unfold, thereby achieving the lifting and lowering of the platform. Its scissor structure design makes the lift more stable during the lifting process, evenly distributing the lifting force and ensuring the safety of the vehicle in the lifting stage.